When you scroll your Instagram feed, so you really get in there and you go through your feed and you see how your pictures line up next to each other, does it feel heavy and crowded and overwhelming? If it does, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you about the app that I use to create a clean and pristine feed that is very cohesive, and no matter what pictures I put in there, it always looks on brand. Do you want to know what that app is? Hit it! Hi, I'm Ann from thepracticaldollface.com, and I make videos about time-saving tips for online entrepreneurs that want to streamline their business and get more hours back in their day. That sounds like something you might be interested in. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell, and you will be notified the next time one of these tantalizing time-saving tips videos comes at ya. Now, let's talk about my favorite app for achieving a beautiful, clean feed on Instagram. A lot of you already know this app. It is Unfold. This is an awesome app, but it's generally used for Instagram stories because it is vertical. However, I use it to create a border for my pictures. So now let me take you inside the app so I can show you how I use Unfold to create these beautiful borders around my pictures, thus creating a beautiful feed on my Instagram. So let's get started by opening the app Unfold. This will give you your different folders. I have a folder called Instagram posts. So here's like your little home base. That plus sign at the bottom is going to be what you want to hit when you want to create a new post. Again, these are all vertical because it's made for Instagram stories. I've just kind of doctored it up for my own usage. These are the basic templates. So I go to this one on the far right. This is just a little square inside the vertical template. There's the square. So you just hit the inside of that square, and that is going to pull up your pictures, and you will be able to just pick something to throw in there. This is my post from Instagram this week. Then you can move the picture around, expand it, all that good stuff. This will be helpful if you have a picture that's formatted vertically. You can move it around. A lot of times I use Canva, and I will go into Canva and edit that picture first and then bring it over into Unfold, just to add an extra step to my day. Then at the bottom here, you're going to see a little pentagon, what is it called? Pentagon, I think. And once you hit that, these three little guys are going to come up. So you've got your T plus on the left-hand side. That's for your text. You have a little raindrops on the right-hand side. That is for color. And then a trash can at the top if you want to just scrap the whole thing and start over. So let's hit that raindrop. Now the raindrop is going to pull out 7 colors to choose from. This will be your background, so you can use any of these colors that you choose. Kind of limited on the color selection, I will warn you, but this would be really cool if you wanted to do a pink background on your Instagram feed. I think that would look really awesome, and it would be very eye-catching. Or if you wanted to do different lines, that'd be cool too. Checkerboard, I mean, the possibilities are endless. Now let's hit the T, and we're going into text. So you'll just hit the inside of that, type in some text. Hello there. And then you can hit edit text, and this will take you into your options. So let me expand this text real quick so you can see it. You can go into all of these different fonts. different options here. I love that cursive font right there. I think it's called Northwest. Not quite sure why I landed on this. You can change to all caps. You can mess around with your spacing, all the different colors. So hit that little raindrop at the bottom, that changes your font color. You can, the little box in the far right hand corner, that will change the background like I'm doing here. I like this font better, so we're going to stick with this. Let me just put that inside there. Move it up a little bit. And then once you're done with that, you are going to want to hit the arrow down at the upper right hand corner to save your page. You can either save your page or your entire story, which is helpful, or go directly to Instagram, which I never do. I always have everything saved and then I scrap it all and I make something new on the fly, because that's just the charm in me. But just save your page. And that'll save. That'll go directly into your photo folder. And then pull up Instagram. And once you pull up your Instagram, you want to stop here. You don't want to expand or contract that image, because it's going to throw off the look of your entire line, your entire feed. So even one little millimeter will throw off the look of your feed. So just leave it there. It's done. The sizing is perfect. And then you can add your caption and your hashtags. Thank you so much for joining me today. Leave a comment below and let me know what app you cannot live without when you're prepping your posts for Instagram. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.